you know what a bird is?
Yes.
There's one now. This is a bird. Notice the feathers, the toothless big jaws, and strong yet lightweight skeleton. The birds lay stwierdne skoruploju, eggs that hatch, and little birdies pop out.
What do birds eat?
Bird food.
Where do birds live?
In a nest.
Aww. Where do baby birds come from?
Eggs.
Slay!
Bird.
What is your favorite type of bird?
Bluebird.
Where do birds live? What sound does a bird make? Say caca! Or ah! What is an egg?
Alright, we are going to be leaving now. Quickly, what sound does a bird make?
Kids. Today we are interviewing Dr. Gridov. Alright then. Well, okay, today we are actually here to talk about birds. Okay? So what are birds exactly?
Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates. Yeah? They are characterized by feathers. They also have toothless beaks, jaws. Они несут твердые shelled яйца. They have a high metabolically right and a four-chambered heart. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. They strong, like lightweight feathers, a skeleton. Sorry, so that they can fly easily.
Well, that is actually very interesting. How do birds eat their food?
Most insect-eating birds use saliva, poo, to stick their food together and make it easier to swallow.
Huh? How do birds digest their food?
A bird's digestive system is adapted to get the most from its food in the shortest time. This means the birds can quickly turn food into fat so that they can survive a hard winter or a long migracja. Inside the bird's stomach, food is soaked in digestive juices and then passed into a special muscular organ called the gizzard. This grinds the food into smaller pieces for easy digestion.
What is a bird's phylum?
So,
Phylum.
the phylum is chordate.
Okay. Can you explain how the gas exchange in birds happen?
Yes. All birds have lungs, which are organs for gas exchange.
See.
Birds inhale oxygen, which is diffused across the surface of the lungs into the bloodstream. Then carbon dioxide diffuses from the blood into the lungs and then is exhaled.
How does the circulatory system work exactly?
Okay. So you see, birds have very, very efficient cardiovascular system that permit them to meet the metabolic demands of flight, running, swimming, and diving. Depends on what bird it is,
What just happened?
Don't ask questions.
What about the reproduction of birds?
Well, it starts with behavior to attract a mate. In birds, this will involve a type of display, usually performed by the male. Some displays include dancing, aerial flights, or wing or tail drumming.
Okay.
Most male birds also sing to attract females. They go la la la. If they succeed, it will lead to breeding.
Alright. Can you tell me about more of the bird's nervous system? How the body and the mind communicate to each other?
So, birds have automatic nervous system which control heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. The nervous system is divided into the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic system. The sympathetic nervous system controls the bird's adrenaline level and stimulates a rapid response to danger. Kind of like a flight or fight reflex, The parasympathetic system is made up of organs like the heart, the lungs, and the digestive organs. These organs control and regulate with only occasional input from the bird's brain. Some of the other habitats are heathland, woodland, forest, rainforest, wetland, and coastal. Although it still depends on the species, most birds hunt for food and make nests.
What do birds do for defensive purposes?
Well, they use camouflage and different types of cover, bushes, grasses, Birds reproduce by internal fertilization, during which the egg is fertilized. Then the hard-shelled egg develops within the female, and the hard-shelled eggs have a fluid-filled amnion, a thin membrane forming a closed sac around the embryo. Eggs are usually laid in a nest, unless something I don't know happens.
Thank you for doing this interview with me. I know way more about birds than I used to now.
You are very welcome. I truly do enjoy talking about birds. Now here is my colleague to tell you some more interesting facts about birds.
Did you know that the chicken is the closest living relative to the T-Rex?
Wait. А вы знали, что птичий глаз занимает 50% головы?
Did you know that the smallest egg belongs to the hummingbird and it's the size of a pea?
А вы знали, что нильвин — единственная птица, которая может плавать, но не летать?
The first bird domesticated by humans was the goose.
You know, chickens who lay brown eggs actually have red earlobes.
Mockingbirds can imitate many sounds, from a door squeaking to a cat meowing.
Birds are so cool. Birds are so cool. Birds are so cool. Hey, cool. Birds. Birds are so cool.
What?
Not all birds are chickens! Some displays include dancing, aerial flying.
Make the noises. I'm flying!
2, 1, go.
Did you know? Stop. Go.
Did you know T-Rexes are closely related to chickens early days? Ow!